do using the metric system. So let me kind of give you an idea of what it was. This is a Sphero. We also learned a little bit about coding, which I had never done before. It's really cool. My big brother, he's been doing coding and he hasn't showed me about it, but I got to learn it on my own. It's pretty sweet. Now, if I was gonna do this scientific experiment of driving this Sphero and crashing into this container to measure how far it goes, there's a couple things I could have done. I could have rolled this Sphero, or I could have driven it just using the controls. But by making a code, I was able to replicate the speed and the distance the Sphero goes each time. One for your so pretty sweet. All right, so she taught us how to aim it. We wrote a code, and check this out. I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Ooh, nice. Now, that's pretty cool, but that didn't bring a whole lot of excitement. So I have the ability, if I want to speed this up, I can make this even faster.
Were there some challenges? What were some challenges that you ran into as a facilitator?
Absolutely. So one of the big challenges is we have really tiny science rooms at Braxton, and we had a bunch of sixth graders, so we got to spread them out. So we had to push them out into the hallway, and so we planned for that. So luckily I partnered with my ILC, and so she came in and helped supervise the kids in the hallway. I was supervising the kids that were inside the room. We wanted to let people know that we were doing that so they wouldn't be so concerned about having a bunch of kids in the hallway. So we emailed out and we let the administrators and other teachers know. Having all of that excitement in the hallway was awesome. The kids were working really hard and they were enthusiastic, and every block we had admin and teachers who stopped by and asked the kids about what they were doing. And so it gave the kids an opportunity to share their learning. And so what started out as an obstacle became really a strength of the lesson, just kind of being out there in the hallway and communicating with the other people in the building.
Why did you select this experience? Great question, and thank you for coming and supporting our students and our teachers at this wonderful event. We have a focus this year at Creoccasin where we're going to look at critical thinking as one of the skills that we're going to look at throughout the whole building. We're asking all of our teachers to learn what critical thinking looks like for students and how to implement that within their curriculum. So we chose this example because it does a great job of allowing students to problem solve on their own, where they're given a problem that could be even a real world problem, and they're asked to figure out a solution and how to make that real problem work. So we thought that the process that they went through in order to get their results was a great example of what we're focusing on as a school. And the great thing about this is just the beginning for us. Next year, we're looking to put on these little showcases throughout the year in our building so that you'll be able to come and see little mini versions of this exhibition throughout the whole year and then celebrate it with us at the end of the year when we pick the best one.
All right, so you have the glimpse of the questions that we're going to serve to the community. These same questions we're going to help the student, the teacher, and the leader prepare to be able to share their learning. And we hope at the event, having the participants out in front, exhibiting their learning, sharing their learning, and the community armed with those questions, there really is going to be some really, really rich discussion. It's going to be something that is going to have a big impact on our students. As you saw in the video, hearing some of those students articulate what it meant to exhibit their learning and be able to talk about it. So thank you for indulging us in this little skit and participating as the audience. And again, the conversation in that step one school process doesn't have to end here. We did want to get you started on it, but continue that conversation and look to how you can empower your students, your teachers, yourself, or another leader at your school to really share their learning come April 24th. Henrico 21, hashtag Life Ready Learning. We're really excited about it. Morning.
Awesome. We'll just open it up for any parting questions.